Like, I can see.
I let go of it.
I'm on the light.
Hold on. We gotta plug it in.
So you can see.
Wait, here we go. Ready? Here we go. Gotta unlock it with the key that I have.
Okay, let's do this.
Hold on.
Okay. Hold that thought.
The keys. Hold on. Love me like you dare, love me like you
I
dare.
gotta get a tape measure.
That's a cool light.
That.
It is a cool light. I want to use it.
Look, we can unlock the door with the key.
Take off your shoes.
Are you really? Showing it in there. Go look. Open this, because it opens now.
Don't touch me with that, it gets hot.
Oh, I was touching. Don't make it sound so hard. It's actually pretty easy.
Can't see. All I can see is the light.
Okay, get it in there. Right?
Okay.
Okay, let's
Can I sleep in here tonight?
Merry Christmas. Come in.
because this side, I think I need to put a little piece of wood right there because it's freaking me out.
I guess.
Oh, this ain't moving. I'm just worried when we start drilling in it that it's gonna push back a little more. Okay.
Tight. That looks good. Max, what are you doing? Is it a van? Are you gonna roll around in it? You gonna roll around? There you go, buddy. It is 6:22 a.m. We got to Home Depot at 6 a.m. so we can buy these. So we put the subfloor in today, and then we got these also, so we can build the walls. So we're gonna do that today. Baby.
Don't deny it, it's a riot. Y'all feeling funk, so we came and supplied it. Not a little bit, not an ounce. Come through bringing 300 pounds. Only high grades, cause we gifted. Got the shit to get the whole city lifted. You know the crowd is feeling it when ladies start.
Alright, I'm gonna start putting the floors on part of this. Here we go.
Revealing it. Don't be shy, stop concealing it. If you don't show love, we stealing it. It ain't stylish to be silent. Lot of records, and we keeping it vibrant. You ask, so we provide it. Doctor has got to prescribe it. This ain't no water down, it's the pure uncut. New Eureka sound like, oh, we be the highest ranking, super stinking. Filling up the bank with Benjamin Franklin's. Filling up the bank with Benjamin Franklin's. Oh, we be the highest ranking, super stinking. Filling up the bank with Benjamin Franklin's. Filling up the bank with Benjamin Franklin's.
When do I know if I need to change the...
How you feeling, man? I'm your dealer, man. Got your head spin around like a center fan. Wake y'all ass up like riddling. Spitting them riddles and diddling with the man. It's that Indian born in America with the Beatles cause a mass hysteria. My sound is so superior. Any other man just sound inferior. I got that crunk to make your chumps jump. To get your humps, lumps, and bumps all wanting some. My system thumb, hun. This shit ain't done. 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5. Beatles rock it all the way live. So, oh, we be the highest ranking, super stinking. Filling up the bank with Benjamin Franklin. Filling up the bank with Benjamin Franklin. Oh, we be the highest ranking, super stinking. Filling up the bank with Benjamin Franklin.
What are you doing to help, River?
This is holding me up and it's making me.
I know.
I'm just stuck with what I got before. I just wanted to change the color.
Look. you just
Emily, go
wanted
back
to-
with Chad.
What do you mean?
To Home Depot.
I don't like going.
Tight!
But I need a
Okay,
hex.
Oh, wait, is that
You want someone to put a hex on you?
Get that out.
Okay.
Get that out.
Get that out.
Get that out! I thought it was like an animal of some sort. You were just like, oh my god, get it out.
Get it out.
Here you go. Alicia's drilling holes into my van. Oh, you lost.
Dad said those were the strongest.
What has happened? Do you want me to go under and look?
Well,
Kind of serious.
no, we just need to take the tape off and lift it up. Because the metal. Yeah, there you go.
Hi there. We're putting the seats in. Because we want to. Also, yesterday was really rough. We worked for 16 hours. We got these floors in. We got this wall in. That wall partially in. And now we're putting the seats in. I did this. These floors were a bitch. And they got paint on them now. That's cool. And they're not all the way done. But look. This is hard work. Goodbye.
Fill up the bank with Benjamin Franklin. Dang, diggy, diggy, dang, 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 diggy, dang, diggy, dang, dang. Diggy, 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 dang, 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 diggy, dang, diggy, dang, dang. Dang, diggy, diggy, dang, 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 diggy, dang, diggy, dang, dang.
Like that? Go
This
sideways
is how you
in it.
replace your weather stripping. I think is what it's called.
Yeah, it's called a weather stripping.
Weather stripping
So
belt.
I need to pull this back and maybe you could do this
Pull
while.
this back. Okay.
Well, sorry, I know you want to record it, but.
It's fine. I can stop recording so we can get it done. Now the key is to remove the old
Pop it out of the
rundown.
lock.
Pops right out. Right out. It's very easy. And then we put these ones in. The ones that were in there were pretty bad condition. At least on the outside they were super rusty. So, well, stickers. Look, I put that in. It looks cool.